people feel that things are just speeding by. I think time is speeding up on this planet. Many of you now say, wow, just wake up and it's over again. Remember again when you were believing in Santa Claus? Some people still do. And when you're looking forward to wonderful birthdays and presents, some people who don't, of course, have to give them, they receive them. And when all these things were happening, time couldn't go by fast enough for that birthday or for Christmas to come. But if you're going to prison, if you're going to the gallows, if you're going to travel and do something you don't like, the time, of course, again, gets to be a whole different meaning. Most time is identified by how we think. And you can speed it up or slow it down almost at will if you can understand three things. You're not the body, you're not physical, you're pure mind energy. Encased in the body for a short period of time to understand what you can do with it, and whatever you carry from this experience or brought into this experience will pretty much bring to light what's going to happen while you're here in transition. The things that are going to go on here, not tonight, but in general on this planet, are not going to be too nice. You already can see that, I hope. But there are many times that within the maelstrom there is pleasure that can be still gained, especially with love, with kindness, with proper eating, with proper understanding. You pretty much create your own reality daily by daily, and many people don't understand that. We have some creatures, people, consciousnesses who don't like happiness, that want to see things miserable, want to see things bad. So those who want things well, believe in a universal creator, believe that there is goodness and love, should express that at all times. And don't let anything else stop you from doing that, and especially in your own heart. Those who don't, they'll soon be taken care of anyway, because they're now writing themselves out of the pages of the booklet on this planet. You're going to see many deaths, some good, some bad, if death is ever good or bad. Prepare for that. But understand that what happens to others does not necessarily have to happen to you based on your consciousness, your understanding, your education, and more than that, your wisdom to do what you think and know you should do. Not talk about it, you got to do it. Now you got to walk the talk, not talk the walk.